A good day, everybody. Today we got this REXTON 2004 4WD. It's a very strong car, very beautiful car. Let's take a look at it, review it, and show you everything. Start by showing you the body in 360-degree view. Looks very clean, no rust at all. Doors as well. This is the first door, very clean. Another door here. This one is also very clean. Check the other side. Here, this one as well looks very clean also. Last door, back side also very clean. Let's check the trunk. Here we go. The trunk is open. Plenty of space here. Show you the edges here. Everything looks good. And here's the engine. I just opened it. Sounds normal, looks good. Alright, here we go. We're inside right now. Let's check it out. Start the engine. Show you the car. Okay, lights are on as you can see. Let's start the engine right now. Lights are gone. Everything looks fine. Let's try to accelerate and see the RPMs here. Okay. As you can see here, it's going up very smoothly. One more time. Everything looks good. We got windows control here. Windows are fine. Other side. Also this one is fine. This side too. Good. Let's try this side. This side is fine as well. Look at these chairs. The seats are clean. Everything is good. Then let's review the audio. Okay, FM. You can also control it from here. So the audio radio works perfectly. Let's try the AC. Work on cold. Okay, what's the speed? Okay. Blowing. But not very strong. It's good actually. Cold air is blowing also perfectly. No problem at all. AC is working just fine. Shut it off. Put that here. This for the mirrors, for the wipers. Automatic gear. Yep, that should be it.
Esta es busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger.
Okay, here we're finishing the review of this car. As you have seen, everything looks fine. Engine sounds good as well. Everything is just normal. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us out at busyman.kr. As usual, thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.